9 EVs with the longest driving range today. Range used to be the biggest problem with electric cars, but not anymore. Today's EVs are going further than ever before, with some capable of covering hundreds of miles on a single charge without breaking a sweat. From powerful trucks to luxury sedans and futuristic SUVs, these machines are built to eliminate range anxiety completely. In this video, we're looking at the electric vehicles that push distance to the limit, and some of them might surprise you. Nine. Lucid Air. Unmatched in efficiency and range, the Lucid Air completely redefines what people expect from an electric vehicle. At its core, it uses an advanced dual-motor electric setup paired with a high-capacity battery, delivering over 500 miles of driving range on a single charge. One of the highest figures ever achieved by a production EV. Despite that focus on range, it still produces well over 800 horsepower in higher trims, launching from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds. Designed from the ground up as a luxury electric sedan, the Lucid Air combines cutting-edge battery technology with an aerodynamic design that maximizes efficiency. Every detail is engineered to extract as much distance as possible from every charge. What makes it truly stand out is how effortlessly it delivers that range. Long-distance driving feels natural rather than stressful, removing the constant need to think about charging stops. It transforms EV ownership into something far more practical. On the road, it feels smooth and silent. Inside, the cabin feels futuristic and spacious, offering premium materials and advanced technology that enhance comfort during long journeys. Range is no longer a limitation here. It becomes the reason this car stands above almost everything else. 8. Chevrolet Silverado EV. Massive, capable, and built with a clear focus on distance, the Chevrolet Silverado EV brings serious range to the world of electric trucks. At its core, it uses a dual-motor electric setup paired with a large battery pack, delivering up to around 450 miles of driving range on a single charge. That kind of range puts it among the longest-lasting electric pickups available today. Alongside that, it produces over 660 horsepower, allowing it to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4.5 seconds. Impressive for a full-size truck. Built on GM's Ultium platform, the Silverado EV was designed to handle both heavy-duty tasks and long-distance travel without compromise. What makes it stand out is how it combines utility with efficiency. The large battery doesn't just support range, it enables towing, hauling, and extended driving without constantly searching for a charger. Under load, it maintains steady performance thanks to instant torque delivery, making it practical for both work and daily driving. Inside, the cabin is modern and tech-focused, offering large displays and advanced features that enhance usability during long trips. This isn't just an electric truck with power, it's one built to go the distance without hesitation or compromise. 7. Lucid Gravity. Expansive, futuristic, and built for distance, the Lucid Gravity takes everything that made the Air impressive and transforms it into a full-size electric SUV. At its core, it uses a dual-motor electric setup paired with a high-capacity battery, delivering an estimated driving range of over 440 miles on a single charge. Alongside that, it produces well over 800 horsepower in higher configurations, allowing it to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3.5 seconds. Remarkable for a large SUV, designed as a luxury family vehicle with long-distance capability, the Gravity focuses on efficiency without sacrificing space or performance. It's engineered to handle extended journeys with ease while still offering strong acceleration when needed. What makes it stand out is how it balances size with efficiency. Despite being a large SUV, it maintains impressive range figures, making it practical for road trips without constant charging stops. On the road, it feels smooth and stable. The electric power delivery remains instant, providing effortless acceleration. Inside, the cabin is spacious and highly advanced, offering flexible seating and premium materials designed for long journeys. Distance feels smaller behind the wheel of this SUV because it's built to go further without making it feel like effort. 6. Rivian R1T. adventure-focused and built to go beyond paved roads, the Rivian R1T proves that electric trucks can deliver both range and real capability. At its core, it uses a dual-motor electric setup paired with a large battery pack, delivering up to around 410 miles of driving range, depending on configuration. Alongside that, it produces over 600 horsepower, allowing it to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in roughly 4 seconds. Impressive for a pickup built for exploration. Designed from the ground up as an electric adventure vehicle, the R1T focuses on versatility. It's built to handle long-distance travel, off-road terrain, and everyday driving without compromise. What makes it stand out is how it combines range with practicality. Features like the gear tunnel and adjustable air suspension add real-world usability, making it more than just a performance-focused EV. On the road, it feels smooth and controlled. Off-road, it remains capable, with instant torque delivery providing strong traction across different surfaces. Inside, the cabin offers a clean and modern design, using sustainable materials while still maintaining a premium feel. It's not just about how far it can go, it's about how many places it can take you once you get there. Hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone interested in EVs. 5. Tesla Model S. Dominant for years and still incredibly relevant, the Tesla Model S continues to set the standard for long-range electric performance. At its core, it uses a dual-motor electric setup paired with a high-capacity battery, delivering up to around 405 miles of driving range on a single charge. Despite that focus on efficiency, it can produce over 600 horsepower, allowing it to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds. Introduced as one of the first premium electric sedans, the Model S helped redefine what EVs could achieve, combining long-distance capability with high performance in a single package. What makes it truly stand out is its consistency. Whether on short city drives or extended highway journeys, it delivers reliable range without forcing constant charging stops, making it practical for everyday use. On the road, it feels smooth and silent, with instant acceleration that responds immediately to driver input. The low center of gravity also improves stability, especially at higher speeds. Inside, the cabin is minimal and tech-focused, centered around a large touchscreen that controls nearly every function of the vehicle. Hundreds of miles on a single charge, supercar-level acceleration. This is the kind of balance most EVs are still chasing. 4. Rivian R1S. Bold, capable, and built for exploration, the Rivian R1S takes the idea of an electric SUV and pushes it far beyond city driving. At its core, it uses a dual-motor electric setup paired with a large battery pack, delivering up to around 400 miles of driving range, depending on configuration. Alongside that, it produces well over 600 horsepower, allowing it to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in roughly 4 seconds. Designed for adventure and long-distance travel, the R1S combines range with serious off-road capability. It's not just built for highways, it's built to handle terrain that most EVs wouldn't even attempt. What makes it stand out is its versatility. Adjustable air suspension, multiple drive modes, and strong torque delivery allow it to adapt to different environments without losing efficiency or control. On the road, it feels smooth and composed. Off-road, it becomes surprisingly capable, maintaining traction and stability across rough surfaces. Inside, the cabin is spacious and modern, offering premium materials along with practical storage for longer journeys and outdoor use. A vehicle that can quietly cruise for hundreds of miles, then leave the pavement behind without hesitation. That's a combination very few electric SUVs can truly deliver. What if your electric car could go hundreds of miles without even thinking about charging? 3. GMC Sierra EV. Confident, refined, and built to cover serious distance, the GMC Sierra EV takes the idea of an electric truck and pushes it into premium territory. At its core, it uses a dual-motor electric setup paired with a large battery pack, delivering up to around 440 miles of driving range. Alongside that, it produces over 750 horsepower in higher configurations, allowing it to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4.5 seconds. Built on GM's Ultium platform, the Sierra EV focuses on combining long-range capability with luxury and advanced technology. It's designed to handle both demanding tasks and extended road trips without compromise. What makes it stand out is its blend of strength and comfort. Features like four-wheel steering and adjustable suspension improve maneuverability and ride quality, making it feel more refined than most trucks in its class. On the road, it feels smooth and stable. Under load, the instant torque ensures consistent performance, whether towing or carrying heavy cargo. Inside, the cabin is upscale and tech-focused, offering large displays and premium materials that elevate the overall driving experience. A full-size truck with this kind of range and refinement doesn't just meet expectations, it quietly resets them. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay connected. 2. Mercedes-Benz EQS. Luxurious, silent, and engineered for efficiency, the Mercedes-Benz EQS takes electric driving into a completely different level of refinement. At its core, it uses a dual-motor electric setup paired with a high-capacity battery, delivering up to around 450 miles of driving range on a single charge. Alongside that, it produces over 500 horsepower in higher configurations, allowing it to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4.5 seconds while maintaining smooth, effortless performance. Designed as a flagship electric sedan, the EQS focuses on comfort, technology, and long-distance capability. Every element is built to create a relaxing driving experience rather than an aggressive one. What makes it truly stand out is its aerodynamic design. With one of the lowest drag coefficients ever achieved in a production car, it maximizes efficiency and extends driving range without increasing battery size. On the road, it feels incredibly smooth, almost floating over the surface, with near-silent operation enhancing the sense of luxury. Inside, the cabin is dominated by the massive hyperscreen, combining multiple displays into a single futuristic interface that controls nearly every function. This isn't about speed or aggression, it's about traveling far, quietly and comfortably in a way that makes the journey feel effortless. 1. Tesla Model 3. Accessible, efficient, and surprisingly capable, the Tesla Model 3 proves that long-range electric driving doesn't have to come with a luxury price tag. At its core, it uses a dual-motor electric setup paired with a high-capacity battery, delivering up to around 360 miles of driving range on a single charge in its long-range configuration. Despite its efficiency focus, it can still accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4.5 seconds, offering performance that feels quick and responsive. Designed as a more affordable entry into the EV world, the Model 3 quickly became one of the most popular electric cars globally. It combines practicality, range, and performance in a way that appeals to everyday drivers. What makes it stand out is its balance. It offers enough range for long trips, enough speed to feel exciting, and enough efficiency to make daily driving simple and stress-free. On the road, it feels smooth and agile, with instant torque making acceleration effortless in city and highway conditions alike. Inside, the cabin is minimal and clean, centered around a single touchscreen that controls almost everything. No drama, no excess, just a car that quietly delivers exactly what most people actually need from an electric vehicle. Electric vehicles have come a long way, and these machines prove that range is no longer a limitation. It's becoming their biggest strength. Some are built for comfort, others for power, but all of them share one thing in common. They can go the distance. Now I want to know, which one would you trust for a long trip? Drop your answer in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more content like this.